Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Firebase console and selecting your project. Once there, go straight to the Rules tab for Firestore or Real-Time Database. You should load the existing rules so you can edit safely and enable the local emulator or save a backup to avoid accidental downtime. Make sure you have CLI access, Firebase tools, and are logged in. Once these steps are done, you're ready to edit rules in a controlled environment rather than making blind changes in production. Now edit the rules. Structure them with match paths and allow statements using auth, UID, and request. Time to enforce identity and timing constraints. Explain why. Well-scoped matches reduce risk and simplify logic. Once edits are in place, run the emulator or the rules playground and execute realistic reads and writes for different user roles to verify behavior. Be methodical. Test edge cases like unauthenticated access and expired tokens. When tests are green, deploy your rules using Firebase. Deploy only Firestore rules or publish from the console. This ensures the exact rule file goes live. After deployment, monitor usage and security logs to confirm expected access patterns and to spot unexpected denials or allows. If something goes wrong, immediately revert to your previous rules from backup or Git and rerun tests in the emulator. Troubleshooting tip: if access fails, check rule precedence and path specificity first. Most failures come from an overly broad or misplaced match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.